Anak, mamimiss ka ni Mommy. Good morning, anak ko. You're so handsome. Pakabait ka Okay? Be a good boy. All you have to do is drink milk and sleep. Okay? Mama loves you. So handsome. So pogi. Sino pogi? Sky Bear. Hello, anak ko. Hello. Happy birthday. It's your birthday today. You are 3 months old. How old are you? 3 months old, baby ko. So handsome. Yes. Ooh. You wanna sing? You wanna sing? Yes, my baby. Look at mommy. It's your birthday. Happy birthday, Sky Bear. Happy birthday, anak ko. So handsome. So handsome ang baby. You're my baby love. Yes. Yes, mommy. You say, yes, mommy. Oops, 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 oops. You're eating your fingers. So cute ang baby. This is my point of view. So handsome in the morning. When I open my eyes, I see my Sky Bear. My Pogi. Yes. Hello. Hello. Anak, wag mo i-cover face mo, So handsome. Baby ko. You're growing up so fast. You're so big na. Sky. Ashmin. Yes. Do you wanna learn the alphabet na? Or numbers? Let's sing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little piglets, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little piglets, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little piglets, 10 little piglets. You say, look at me, I can flip. I can turn to my right side and left side without my mommy's help. No? So good. Anak, Mama loves you so much. Okay? So handsome ng baby, Sky Bear, handsome baby. Are you hungry? Hungry na naman ang baby ko. So cute naman ng nose mo. Hindi mana kay mommy. Ang cute ng nose mo, Say, thank you people for the love, for the gifts, for the care. I'm so blessed, you say. I'm so lucky. Yes. Don't cry. Don't cry, don't cry. Don't cry. Ayun. This is me behind the scenes. Happy birthday, my baby.
Jarang buat yun.
Baby, you're so cute. I'm free.
Effect.
Diba talagang anak ko, di ba
Ang dami ng piece kay Dita. Bagay yung cake niya, no, Joy?
Go.
Kita ada data ko.
Go. Hanap ka na, Ading. Show Papa your skills. Show Papa. Show Papa. Go, anak. Go. Go na. Come to mommy. Oh. Sky? Hey! Show Papa! Show Papa! Come to Mama. Go na. Go, go, go. Go. Oh. Go, baby. Oh. Ayaw ka help ni Papa? Oh. Alo. Sige na. 3 months old ka pa lang. Alo.
Tugkol naman na taulo na rata.
Paano
May
yun?
palod.
Ay, gaganon niya.
Basta na wala. Tugkol na namin na ito.
Turuan ka ni Papa?
Sky.
Sige na. Pakita mo kay Lola Marsing. Alo. Wala na yung nose mo. Naipit na. Agdumpap na yung nose mo, Go, Sky. Go na. Go na. Go, Sky Bear.
Amo kasi na ba yung gatas na ina?
Ampay, Lola. Similak pa din. Go, Sky.
Kamot 6 months to. Mga to.
Yung milk. Hindi, change ng brand. Go, anak.
So,
Show the people. Look at me. I can flip to my left. Show Papa. Go na. Lola. Hirap pa siya Mabigat kasi katawan niya. Go, baby. Ala, pinapada ni Papa niya. Ala, katalam. Can you do it? Ala. Uy. Hindi.
Ano ba kaya yun? Nanita. Hindi kaya.
Hindi ganyan.
Nakaya?
Anong ginawa sa akin? Bakit ganun yung nangyari? Yung mukha ko, nasubsob.
Nakaya niya. Nakaya ko hindi niya. Hindi kaya.
You want more? Tell Papa you want more. One more time. One more time. Go. Hindi pa pwede, anak. Umiiyak siya.
May kaya nyo.
Takil
magabinta bagi mo.
Oo, go. Sige na. Go, baby! Oo, hirap siya kasi eh.
Nakaya.
Oh, tingnan mo.
Hindi mo kaya?
Tinatry niya, tinatry niya. Oh, go. Help ka ni Lola Marsing? Gusto mo? Oh. Lola, gusto niya kasi talaga. Oh.
Nakakabi.
Kaya na na yan.
Ano nakaya? Kinigilit mo. Pili mo rin. Huwag makaangas.
Ay. Oh. You're 3 months old.
Ang kaya niya.
Oh, kaya siya nag...
Ang kaya.
Matry na Lola. Paano, Lola?
Ang kaya.
Oh, sige na. Ay, ano Lola, yung kamay niya may hindi mo. Kaya nga, love. Oh, gusto niya kasi.
Ang kaya karutog pala. Ang kaya.
Ano? Mapagod na yan.
Ang kaya niya. Ang kaya.
Oh, sige na.
Awa, hindi
Papa,
nagsaya.
help me.
Hindi nagsaya.
Mm.